Hello everyone, welcome to Code and Create. Today we will be doing another project. In this project, we will be learning about how to make shadows for boxes and using boxes and putting different types of gradients in them, as you guys can see in the desired result. So I've already opened up the full desired result in a new tab like this. If you don't know how to do that, just click on open in a new tab. It will open up and it will come over here once you click on download. So we have to try, basically what I'll be teaching you guys how to do is to get like this red boxy area, you see this, and making this box over here. So let's get started. First we're going to add the four main HTMLs. So we have HTML, head, title, and body. So these are our four main tags. Remember to always put in something in the title. So we'll write off-road racing. Road. And then I'll close the title tag. And after that, you have to remember to close the head tag. If you don't close the head tag, the rest of your project won't show. So that's something you must do. It's a must part of coding. Otherwise, you might have done everything right and then you might have forgotten to close your head tag and it won't really show anything. So, if you do it at the start and if you're doing lots of coding, it's best to save some time and do it at the start so you don't need to go through your entire code and look for any bugs to fix. Because the platform I use to do my coding, it doesn't tell you if there's something wrong. You have to look yourself. So that's why it's best to always remember, no matter if it does tell you, it doesn't. So I'm going to click enter here. I'm going to open a H2 tag and I'm going to open a U tag because if you look over here, you can see it's underlined. So I'm going to use the U tag, which means underline. And then I'm just going to copy this, Command C, and I'm going to just paste it over here. And then I'm going to close the U tag and close the H2 tag. I'm also going to add this because it's there on that. So I've added this because of like design and all that. So when I click run, it's going to show, but it's not the yellow we need. If you want to change your fonts, that's perfectly fine. I'm not changing the fonts because I'm not really looking for the designing part. I'm just looking for the basic codes and what codes I use. Over here, we're going to open after the closing of the title tag, click enter and open the style tag. Style, close it, and then after that, properly close the tag. So that if you don't close the style tag, it's the same with the head tag. Don't close the style tag, rest of the code won't show. And now I'm going to click enter. So I have lots of space here. And then in here I'm going to write H2 curly braces because these are one of our four selectors. And in this we're going to write color yellow. And then semicolon. And when I click run, it'll come up as yellow. We also need to change the background, which I'll do in a second. So perfect, we've done that now. And now we're going to be trying to make this box type of thing. To do that, we have to click enter over here. Right. And then in here we'll write section. We're going to write section in here. Just section. And then I'm going to click enter over here and close the section tag. So then when we come over here, we'll write section brackets. I've already written one before, so I'll just tell you guys what you need to do. You're gonna have to write margin and you can pick whatever type of pixel amount you want. I've already written 200 pixels. I'm probably going to change it. Background color, I'm going to, it's kind of a faint. So for background color, we'll just do green. Padding, I'll keep to 4 pixels. Border radius, 5 pixels. Box shadow, you have to remember to do this one. Really important. You have to do, you can do 20 pixels 3 times. And then I'm going to change the color. Instead of yellow, I'm going to do red. And then max width, we'll see how it goes with 500 pixels. I'm going to click run. And that's what it looks like. So it's pretty big right now. So I'm definitely going to change the colors. The box shadow is pretty good. Margin and max width. Let's change it to 200. Okay, that's a bit too small. We'll go with 300. Let's see that. No. 400. Okay, 400 is good. So let's stick with 400. Margin. Try 100. Okay, let's go way up. Okay. Let's try 50. 30. 10. Okay, perfect. Just as we need it. Padding. Okay, everything else perfectly fine. So this is exactly what we need. This is perfect. Even though it's a bit faint, this is also pretty good. So if you've done it with this much, this is perfect. You can pause the video or take a screenshot of how you need to put the section tag. Remember, when you put this part, you have to also put the 2 section tags over here. Otherwise, the code isn't going to know where it's supposed to put all of this stuff. So now after this, we have to put in also the background. So I'm just going to go to body. I'm going to write style equals to double quotes background. I'll just do background color, but then I'm going to change color to image. And then after this, I'll write here, right after image, colon, URL, so link. And then I'm going to do 2 brackets, 2 singular quotes, and in this we'll write a link for the background. So I'm just going to do off-road racing. Actually, we'll do this one over here. Okay, I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to go over here, paste it, enter, images, and let's go with something more outdoors, like some people outside instead of like a stadium. Okay, let's go with this one. Pretty sure this is called mountain biking, but okay. Okay, open an image in new tab. Copy, Command C. And remember to copy the link because that's what we want. And then in here where I put the 2 little quotes, I'm going to do Command V, and that's where the link will come up. Let's see how the size is for now. If it's too small or too big, we'll pick another image, or we can just change the size with style and height, width, that sort of stuff. So we'll check the output, run. Oh, it's pretty nice, but it's not really getting the bike in. So we're gonna search it up again. Search it up again. go on images, and let's go with this one. Open in a new tab. That's not secure. If any of the images say not secure, do not use them because they're not going to show up and it's not secure. So something really bad could happen. So don't pick those. We'll keep looking. I found one. This image. I'm gonna copy it and see if it goes good. I'm gonna delete the URL that we had put before. Command V, run, and it's showing up small images. So we'll pick something else that shows it as one whole image. It might take some time, but the better the all of the text and all that. I finally found a good image. I know it's two of the same image, but that's perfectly fine. It's better than like a smaller versions of the same one. So this is perfectly fine if you find this type of image. If you find a proper one where it's properly showing everything, then well, that's really good. So that's going to show how that's how it's going to show if you like properly zoom it out. But this is also really good. So I'm going to close these. And the desired result, we still need to get this box over here. So I'm going to click enter. I'm going to open a P tag. Before we start doing the box part, we'll first do like the background for the P tag. Okay, so to do this, we need to write style equals to we will have to write style equals to background image radial gradient, but we need to do this in the style tag. We have to write style stuff inside the style tag. So we'll write down the writing instead. So as you guys can see, there's a list tag inside the P tag. So we're going to open li, and after that, we're going to click enter after the P tag, and we will open an unordered list tag, so ul, just like that. Click enter, and then we have our li here. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to copy this, command C, command V, and close that. I'm going to click run, and perfect, it's showing up. But this is all coming in the center, and we don't want it to come in the center. So this is coming off to the side. It's not in the center, but this is coming in central. So I'm going to change this to 500. See that? Okay, now it's all straight. Perfect. Margin. I'm going to change these. See what happens with that. This changed. Okay, this is good. Max with border radius 5 pixels. Heading. Go full. Margin. Max width. Border radius. Okay, everything's good. Perfect. Run. And all we need to do is finish off all of this. So open more li tags, copy all of these, Command C, Command V, close li, and I'm just pasting the last one over here. Perfect. Oh, that's not closed properly. And now we can close the UL tag just like that. And close the P tag. Perfect. Now all we need to do is add our radio background to all of our text. To do that, we will have to go to section. Oh, we have to open a section tag around this. We just need to do the same thing that we did with the section tag over here. So I'm gonna open another section tag right after we've closed the other one. Alright, section, and then close the section tag. So when we open it here, we'll have another one. Section and margin border 200 pixels. Colon, and here we'll write auto. Background color as background color, we'll do instead background image for the radio background, colon, radio gradient. Oh, Command Z. Okay, so radio, and then we'll have to in gradient like that. And then I'm going to open some brackets, just like that, and we'll write to left, and you can add spaces here. We'll write red and white. Perfect. After the bracket, close this just like that. Also need to add the style tag. Style equals to perfect. If this doesn't work, we can also open the P tag and copy all of this. Command C, Command V, there we go. It's coming up. Perfect. Not the colors we need it to come with though. So to do that, if it still doesn't work, you can remove all of this. Go over here, delete this, and keep the section tags, keep those. Keep all of this, and it's already coming up with the background, which is exactly what we needed. So if you want it to match with this, you can do this. You can also change the text to whatever you want. You can do the gradient. Doesn't really matter how you design it. It's just how you want it to look. So as you guys can see, I've added the red outline border over here, and I've also done it for over here. I've done that. I couldn't really figure out how to do the faint green, but I was able to just stick with a normal dark green. And you guys can try to do this. I've already done it, so try and do it yourself. Before we finish off this video, we'll have to close the body tag and the HTML tag, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and look for more of our videos. I'll continue adding some more, and I hope you guys learn a lot with me. Thank you.